Hey, what's up, buddy? I'm Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. Alright, so in this video, I want to talk about stocks that I'm up in, that I'm ending the year up in so far. I did a video a while back ago of stocks that I'm down in, and I'm going to do another one of those videos here before the year ends. But so in this video, stocks that I'm up in, I'm going to start with my largest holding, but these aren't in actually any order of what I'm most invested into. But I do like value investing, so I have made several investments in all these companies, and I'm going to say throughout this whole year. And also, if some seem like a surprise why they would be up, that is could be because I do get a lot of these are dividend stocks, like they do pay dividends, so the dividends would actually go into the actual earnings for the stock of the main up, so that is included into this list. It is just not like the total value of the stock itself. So first, I'll get to my largest holding, Tesla. I am up in Tesla 46.77%. That is mostly actually off of these like last few months here, when Tesla was down, under 300, and now it's above 300. So I've actually done really well with that stock. All right, so next on this list is Southern Company. That is I'm up 3.79% this year on Southern Company. Next is Starbucks, 49.45%. I did some large investments in the Starbucks when I thought that they were really cheap. They went down a lot in value earlier this year, and then when you include dividends and all that I've gotten from Starbucks, and plus they started to perform really well there. Yeah, that's a pretty good return on Starbucks. Next is P&G, Procter & Gamble. I'm up 36.95% on Procter & Gamble, and that is also like the same kind of thing as Starbucks. Is I did some large investments when I thought the P&G was really cheap, and it really helped my performance there, and also when you throw on the dividends that Procter & Gamble pays. So I've actually had a really good reward there with them. Next is Coca-Cola. They're at I'm up 18.98%, so almost 19% on Coca-Cola. That's a really great dividend stock of mine. It's Coca-Cola. It's always seems like it always just kind of goes up slowly there. Next is Disney. Now Disney is 4.64%. I thought I would have done better in Disney this year, but I'm happy with that. That's a pretty good return. It's not like 8 or 10% like I would have hoped, but I'm up 4.64%. Next is Walmart, 2.42%. I've also would like a little bit better there, but it is a great dividend stock, so I'm really happy with that. Next is Johnson & Johnson. Now Johnson & Johnson has taken a lot of heat, and it would be we would have expected this not to be actually on this list, but I guess I've got into it at pretty good times this year. I'm up 0.9%, so almost 1%. But that it's gone up a little bit after it's gone down 10% over last week. So it's a little surprising that I'm actually still up in that. I would have actually thought that would have been down. Next is Yum Brands. I am up 14.59% in Yum Brands. Next is Pepsi, 6.46% in Pepsi. All right. Next is Cisco Systems. I am up 0.76%, so not big, but I would be down if it wasn't for the dividend. That stock would be down for me. Next is Waste Management, 8.3%. I am up. Next is Pfizer. I am up 5.94%. That's also a great dividend stock that I own there. Pfizer, I like that stock a lot. Next is Delta Airlines. I am up 0.37%. I think that's another one I would be down in if it wasn't for the dividend payments. So it depends on how you look at that. All right, next is Hershey's. I am up 7.17% in Hershey's. And then next is Keurig Dr. Pepper. This is a stock that I've recently made some videos on. That is up 14.45%. I'm in the year, looks like, with that. The next is NIO. I'm up 2.43% with NIO. So I'm pretty happy with this. There's a lot of stocks that I own that I'm actually down into. I don't share my ETFs that I'm up or down in. I'm just giving out whole stocks here that I own. But yeah, if it wasn't for Tesla really being, having a good run here, my portfolio would not look as well as it does. I would be a lot more in the negative this year, but Tesla has really helped out. So I do have another video coming out here soon with the stocks that I'm down in, and there are some surprises. Anyways, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time talking about investing and such. Thank you for watching.